Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and entering firmware. Back up your recovery keys and an OS image now, because secure boot changes can prevent boot. Once done, disable Windows Fast Boot so the machine fully restarts. Make sure a USB keyboard is attached and identify your ASUS BIOS key, usually F2 or delete, so you can press it immediately when powering on. Then reboot and press the BIOS hotkey repeatedly until the UEFI setup utility appears. That gets you into the settings we need. You're now in the BIOS and moving to the secure boot controls. First, switch to advanced mode. Press F7 if the interface opened in easy mode. Then go to the boot or security tab where secure boot resides. Once there, change OS type from Windows UEFI to other OS to unlock the disable option. If prompted, go into key management to clear or reset secure boot keys. Clearing keys effectively disables enforcement. Make sure to confirm each change before exiting so settings persist. You finish by saving the configuration and rebooting to verify success. Choose Save and Exit, then test booting your OS or installer media. The system should accept unsigned or custom-signed loaders. If it fails to boot, re-enter BIOS and either restore the saved secure boot keys or re-enable secure boot, then retry. If options were unavailable or grayed out, make sure your BIOS is up to date. Flashing the latest ASUS firmware often exposes missing controls and fixes known UEFI bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.